Yeah, you go, girl. You don't like it that far? Mommy will bring it back. Mommy will bring it back. Oh, you got it? You got it? Where'd your car go? Where did the car go, Mama? Oh, it's right next to you. You got it to come right back next to you? Yeah, you did a good job. Here, let's move you over here, and then Daddy can see you. Good job. Good job, Mama. Yeah, you're doing good. Your hair's all crazy because you pulled your clip out, but you're doing good. Good job, Anjali. Don't eat that. Yeah! Yay! Good girl! Yay! Don't break that. Don't break that. Push the button. There you go. Don't do that. Move your get it out of the way. Listen, baby, you gotta move it. There you go. Ready? There you go. I'm not trying to take it. Push the button. Put it back. Put it back. It's not gonna work like that. Put it back. Turn it over. No, turn it over. Okay, now push the button. I don't want it. I'm not taking it. I was just turning it over for you. Push the button. Push the button. Yay! I don't want it. You don't have to worry about it. See, I'll back up. Here, I'll make it go that way. I don't want it.